Today we are going to look on how we can validate the username, so that if a new user tries to register us with the same username, an alert will be given that the username already exists. So without further ado, let's begin. We'll go just before the $_ post submit. We'll initialize the count variable and set it to 0. So then we'll select everything from the database. Select star means select everything from the table called user, the one we had created earlier. Then we'll execute the query inside the variable called $result mysqli underscore query. $db the connection variable. Then we'll pass the $sql, the variable containing the query. Select. Then we'll fetch everything inside the while loop. $row equals to mysqli underscore fetch assoc $result. So we'll fetch everything from the table rows and compare the results from the username in the table row column with the one that will be posted by the registering user inside the user input form username. So without further ado, let's start. If $row username equals to $_post username, the $count variable will increase by 1 if the username in the table row columns will be equal to the username that will be posted by the user. $count will increase by 1 equals to $count plus 1. Okay. Then we'll go after the while condition and we'll write a query if $count equals to 0. If $count will be equal to 0, then the following code should execute. So we'll end it just before the closing bracket. We'll end it there. So the following code will execute. If the number of rows will be equal to 0, meaning that if the username posted will not match with the username in the row, then the insert query will execute. Else the following query will execute. Let's just copy this alert and post it here. Else an alert will be given the username already exists. So everything is okay. Let's test it in the browser. So let's try to enter the same username. And if we try to register, you'll see the username already exists. So that's how we do it, and thank you. Stay tuned for my next tutorial, and I'll teach you all the essentials that you need. And if you have any question, you can just ask on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.